How 1 minus 0.3, that is how to subtract a decimal from a whole number. 1 is a whole number, but this is a decimal. Convert this whole number into decimal number. Okay, just take a decimal, then you can add any number of 0. Since this number has one digit after decimal, we have taken 10. Now line up the decimal and write the corresponding digit. Now this is ones column and this is tens column. Forget about this decimal. So take away three ones from 0 ones. You cannot do this, so you need to borrow. If you borrow 1 tens, then you will have 0 tens, and 1 tens will be 10 tens. Take away 3 ones from 10 ones, you will have 7 ones. Then bring down this decimal, and then 0 minus 0, 0. 0.7 is your answer.